Y'all spread out some.
All right, let's do it.
Wait, welcome to the Where's the Diddy bus? Where's the Diddy bus at? Where's the Diddy bus? Don't say nothing like that and you from Georgia. Don't say nothing else.
The nigga with the AirPods look like Meek Mill. You got fucked.
Get up! Situate! Say something!
Hey, man.
Situate!
What's up, Juwop?
Alright, fuck you, pay me what you owe me, hold the favors though. I was born in 85, I've been this way since 84. If it ain't about the paper roll, I'm awfully lackadaisical. My guns are fully loaded, cause I pack them all the day before. Piff, look over your baby bro, these rap niggas, they hate me so. My work ethic crazy, not to mention I make crazy dough. I wouldn't try me if I was you, that ain't the way to go. Made so many enemies, but friends is still my favorite show. Let's focus on the finer things in life. I finally can afford to say I don't look at the price. Tonight I might just lay in bed and cuddle with my wife and do nothing just like you. Oh my God, that must be nice. I stay out the way cause out of mind is out of sight. But I'm a sight to see, you probably won't believe your eyes. They say 'tis the season to be rapping, niggas blind. Pistol in your face, I bet you can't believe your eyes. I be stretched as fuck, I count that cake to ease my mind. I get the cake and dip off, baby, call me Duncan Hines. Call me what you want, long as you call me all the time. My wife gon' cut your throat, look pretty, bitch, pay me no mind. My wife think I'm delusional, I'm always seeing signs. I see them everywhere, them little S's with the lines. Now look how hard I grind, there's 8 reasons why. I came here to win it, I don't plan to leave it tied. There's a list of people that I had to leave behind. If I had've brought them with me, then they would've slowed me down. If I ain't make it fast enough, they would've switched the sides. That's to be expected, so I can't say I'm surprised. Long live Pill.
What's up, Juwop?
Hey, guys. That DJ got him. They got him. All right, guys. Let's go. Wait, you got cones? What we doing first? Competition. They should not get in for this. Show them the special guest list. Don't let him special guest list. Wait, just can get in. Nobody else. No, just him. Hear me?
We talking about Night?
Bro, just him.
Night?
Y'all have to answer. That's what you're saying.
Wristband, okay. Y'all spread out some. All right, let's do it. Spread out some. So, Derek, how you doing? Hey, come on with it.
Simple car, he got tires.
Yeah. So basically,
What the fuck, Simple car?
we have a bracket. It's a bracket stuff. So
Wait, welcome to the Where's the Diddy bus? Where's the Diddy bus at? Where's the Diddy bus? Don't say nothing like that and you from Georgia. Don't say nothing
The
else.
nigga with the AirPods look like Meek Mill. You got fucked.
Get up! Situate! Say something!
Hey, man.
Situate!
Bet you won't be in there.
No. Get your Freeman looking ass. Touch my balls.
What? Bro, I'm recording you.
Hey, touch my balls.
Bro, who the fuck is that? Oh, y'all grabbing balls? I thought y'all was grabbing papers.
Hey, Danny. What about one
What the fuck?
Everybody go to Derek.
Niggas fighting to get into the ball, the bag of balls?
You gotta go. Yeah, go. No, he got one. Right here. Go to Derek and get your. Number 2 is the white Mustang. You know who you are.
White Mustang, you know?
Hey, at least you ready to... never stopped. He rode that hoe the whole time. I give him that. He rode that hoe the whole time. Even when it tried to lock up, he pushed it on through. Yeah, he did that. What you gonna say about that?
Hey man, he was calling me out the whole time.
He's stealing, goddamn, he's stealing. He's been watching the tape.
As soon as it starts sliding, the timer will start.